I'm Dr.Ashok Kumar, Head Department of Zoology, Ganga Singh College, Chapra, running under JP University, Chapra. Today I'm going to switch on the topic, the inland capture fishery resources of India. That is capture fishery resources. Fishery, as I had already explained, fishery is the business or place for catching fish. Business or place for catching fish, that is inland, that is fishery, and that is so two things come here. Business of fish, it means culture fish as well as capture fish. Culture fish, in culture fish we manage the ponds for the maximum protection, for the maximum production of the fish. But in capture fishery we only simply culture the fishes. The culture, as I had already explained in my last classes, that India, the total production of capture fishery, total production is 12.59 million tons. Means 12.5 million tons means 125.91 lakh tons. Inland, out of that, inland capture fishery resources, that is that from where we take capture by production, by rearing, and then growing it up to the marketable size, and then it comes to from inland capture fishery resources, the production of fish in our country is 89.02 lakh tons, and from marine fishery resources, that is 36.88 lakh tons, 36.88 lakh tons. The sum total of both inland and marine fish production which we catch, that is from from 120, that comes to 125.90. Hello. Then state-wise production, I had already explained in my last classes that total production in our country, as per the statistics of Government of India, it is 125.90 lakh tons. It means 12.59 lakh tons. The maximum is from Andhra Pradesh, then West Bengal. Andhra Pradesh production is 34.50, West Bengal production is 17.420, Gujarat 8.35 lakh itna lakh tons, and 8.35 lakh tons. Odisha 6.85 lakh tons, Tamil Nadu 6.82 lakh tons, and UP 6.29, Maharashtra it is 6.06, Karnataka 6.03, and Bihar 5.88 lakh tons. Hence, inland, but so the ranks of our state is low, but the inland, among the inland producing states, in Bihar rank of Bihar is fourth. First is Andhra Pradesh, which inland from inland resources production is 28.45 lakh tons. West Bengal 15.57 lakh tons. UP 6.29 lakh tons, and Bihar 5.8 lakh tons. So Bihar is a landlocked state, and hence Bihar is a landlocked state, and hence there is no so only inland capture fishery resources are available in Bihar, and so in this way the Jharkhand, which was also a part of Bihar below in the past, that the production of inland is 1.90, that is it ranks 10th. And our Bihar, the rank of Bihar is after Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and then Bihar, it is 4th. But the rank of Jharkhand is, that is 10th, with only 1.9 lakh ton. So it is 10th. Jharkhand, our state, is 4th. So the capture fishery, we only capture. That is, we only capture from the fishery resources. Among the fishery resources, among the inland capture fishery resources which are available in India, in our country, that is riverine from rivers, riverine fishery resources, from lakes like estuarine fishery resources, and reservoir fishery resources. So the canals, from bills, and from as well as from lakes. So the different types of inland capture fishery resources, which are riverine fishery resources, like estuarine fishery resources, reservoir fishery resources, bills fishery resources, ponds and tanks. These are maximum. These are very important. So ponds and tanks, they are also our inland capture fishery resources. So inland capture fishery resources are those sources which are located inside the land masses. So it is inland. Inland means those inside the land masses, such as ponds, tanks, bills, lakes, rivers, reservoirs, swamps, lakes. So these are the inland capture fishery resources. Among the inland capture fishery resources, different lagoons are also here. Now chiefly the freshwater capture fishery in India is concerned with rivers, chiefly concerned with rivers, canals, lakes, reservoirs, ponds, tanks, where there is culture, and then after culture there is capture. Now, riverine fishery resources. Riverine fishery resources are from where we get where fishes are rivers. Fishery resources are rivers. We catch the fishes from rivers, and so in India the riverine fishery resources are vast fishery resources, and comprises of the Ganga river system, the Brahmaputra river system, the Indus river system in the North India, while in the South India it is Mahanadi river system, Krishna river system, Godavari river system, Kaveri river system. It is in the South India, peninsular India, or South Indian fishery resources. So in northern India, the river systems are the Ganga river system, the Brahmaputra river system, the Indus river system, three river systems in northern India, while in Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri, Cauvery, Kaveri systems along the east coast, and Narmada, Narmada and Tapti along the west coast in peninsular India. These are the principal riverine fishery resources. As Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri. Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri river systems, these are located in on the east coast, hence it is east coast river system, while Narmada and Tapti river system, these are located, the Narmada and Tapti, they drains into the west coast in Arabian Sea, so they are called west coast river system. And in east coast river system, Ganga, in east coast river system, Ganga's river system, Brahmaputra river system, Indus river system, they drain into Bay of Bengal, that is on the east coast, that is which is the east coast of India. Hence, it is now. So the role of riverine fishery resources of India mainly comprises of the river system, the different river systems. There are the river system, total rivers present in India, their number is 113 major and minor rivers along with their tributaries. 113 major and minor rivers along with their tributaries, and having a combined length of 45,000 kilometers. 45,000, the total river having a combined length of 45,000 kilometers, of which 80% of the total length is constituted by 14 major rivers. 14 major rivers out of 113 major and minor rivers. But the fishery, the principal, along with principal having a combined length of 45,000 kilometers, of which 80% are the total, the 80% total length is contributed by only 14 major rivers. River basins of 7,20,000 square kilometer is available for catchment area, that is the catchment area having which have characterized the river systems. So Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus river system are in the northern river system. The Ganga river system, Brahmaputra river system, and Ganga is the largest river system. Ganga is it contributes. It is very large river system, and here the river system, in this river system, the major part of the riverine fishery resources of India. It is the major part of the Fishery Research Institute, major part of the riverine fishery. These are the Ganga river systems contributes the major part in the riverine fishery of India. Its total length of the Ganga river system is 8047 kilometers. 8047 kilometers means 8047 kilometers. It covers the different states. These are Uttaranchal, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttaranchal, that is Indo-Gangetic plains. So it originates, the Ganga river originates from the Gangotri. Gangotri main, it originates from Gangotri, and then from Gangotri it comes as Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, both comes from one side Bhagirathi, one side Alaknanda, and now or Mandakini, that comes at Devprayag. They join themselves at Devprayag, from where it comes down. Now from Devprayag it is known as Ganga. Now it is known as Ganga. So now at Devprayag it is known as, from Devprayag it reaches here, and this hence the Ganga river system, it is the total length of the Ganga river system is 8047 kilometers, 8047 kilometers. It covers the state of Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. So these are the places which are, these are the Indo-Gangetic link area. It is the Indo-Gangetic link. So these are the UP, Bihar, Uttaranchal, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. They are Indo-Gangetic plains. So this crosses to Indo-Gangetic plains. Now this system is having the richest fish fauna. These are fish fauna among the river systems in India. All the rivers, different river systems. So it is the mighty river. It is maximum fishery here. Or now this system has reached. The main tributaries of Ganga are Yamuna, Ramganga, Ghaghra, Kosi, Chambal, Betwa, Ken. These are the Ganga river system contains the following tributaries, and all the tributaries are provided with all the different fish fauna are presented. The main tributary of Ganga is Jamuna, Ramganga, Ghaghra, Gandak, Kosi, Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Son. These are the total catchment area of this system. The total catchment area is 9.71 lakh square kilometers. It was proposed by Job, J-O-B, in the year 1951. Annual rain is 111 centimeters, and the amount of water flow is 48.46 million hectare per meter. now its origin. It originates from it originates from Gangotri mountainous range. It is above 3,129 meters of MSL, minimum sea level. So from Gangotri, it is known as Gangotri mountainous range, and it originates there, and it forms in the form of Bhagirathi, which combines with Alaknanda river. So Alaknanda river and both fuse at Devaprayag, and then it is called Ganga. After crossing a distance of 220 kilometers in mountainous zone, it enters its plains at Haridwar. So after it crosses from a distance of 220 kilometers in mountainous zone, means large mountains, then it comes hilly area, and then it comes on the plain area. So there are three zones. One is headwater, then the second is hill water, and then the plain water. So it originates there, and Alaknanda, from this side Bhagirathi, and this side Alaknanda, and then both combines or fuses here at Devaprayag, and now it is called Ganga, which this Ganga comes on the plain at Haridwar. From Devaprayag, now at Devaprayag, both the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi both has become fused, and from there it has come here, and it reaches on the plain earth in Haridwar. Yamuna originates from Yamunotri. Yamuna originates from Yamunotri hot water falls above 8 kilometers, which flows from Doon Valley and comes on plains in Saharanpur in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Before meeting with Ganga, it flows about 1,000 kilometers, and it meets at Allahabad, the Sangam, that is Allahabad. So it is. So now the fishery